Ya Ali Madad. Today, we present a tale of wisdom, gloriously mentioned by Maulana Hazir Imam alayhi salam while closing his speech at the first Aga Khan Award for Architecture ceremony in Lahore, Pakistan on October 23, 1980. Quote, "Let me close, therefore, by reminding you of Attar's great poem, The Conference of the Birds, Mantiqut Tayr. The birds, you will recall, in huge quantities went in search of the Simurg, the ideal and perfect king. After many tribulations, 30 of them do reach the end of the journey and come to the gate of the Supreme Majesty. The Chamberlain tests them and then opens the door, and they sit on the Masnad, the seat of the Majesty and glory. And as an inner glow came into them, they realized that it is they together who were the Simurg, and the Simurg was the 30 birds." Unquote. This song is inspired by the words spoken by Maulana Hazir Imam alayhi salam at the mentioned event.
Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky.
Once upon a time, in a land so wide, once upon a time, in a land so wide, birds in thousands took to the sky, searching for a king perfect and kind, searching for a king perfect and kind. The Simurg, the one they had to find.
Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky.
Through many trials they flew on and on. Through many trials they flew on and on. With hope in their hearts they stayed strong. 30 birds reached the gate so grand. 30 birds reached the gate so grand. The Chamberlain greeted them with a guiding hand.
Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky.
As they sat on the seat of majesty, as they sat on the seat of glory, in an inner glow they saw the story. They were the Simurg, together so bright. They were the Simurg, together so bright. The Simurg was them, what a wondrous sight.
Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky. Fly, fly, birds so high, over mountains to the sky.
So remember, friends, the tale we have sung. Together we are strong, together we are one. In unity the truth we will see. The Simurg in you, the Simurg in me, the Simurg in you, the Simurg in me, the Simurg in you, the Simurg in me, the Simurg in you, the Simurg in me.